Happy afternoon, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I was discussing about CAT IIM. CAT means Common Admission Test, which is on 28th November 2021, just after 4 days. And under the CAT IIM first video, that is the actually I am making video CAT series video actually CAT IIM series 1. First video is already uploaded on your YouTube channel, miss my YouTube channel, and there are altogether more than 130 videos for you all. Already interview series is going on, group discussion series is going on, and personality development soft skill series is going on. Even numerology and homeopathy video also there for your extra knowledge, additional knowledge. You can enjoy that video also. But don't forget to subscribe first of all and share this with everyone, your family, friends, relative if you like the video. Okay, let's start with the second part, CAT IIM Series 2. Under this, the stage 1. As you know very well, CAT exam is conducted in 3 stages, means first stage 1 is shortlisting of candidate, second stage is screening of candidates, and the third stage is final selection. And all the stages I will tell you all through the video, okay, one by one, and you are supposed to watch if you really want to crack CAT IIM in first attempt. You are supposed to watch all those videos very seriously and sincerely, okay. So stage 1. The stage 1 is shortlisting of candidates. Very simple. As you know very well, under this, weightage is 25% marks. For stage 2, screening of candidates, also weightage is 25% marks. And for final selection, weightage is 50% marks. Okay. What is that? I will tell you later on through last video. Okay. Now, as we know in CAT exam, correct answer you will get 3 marks. That is, and for wrong answer you will get -1. This is very important. CAT exam is minus marking is also there. That is very important part you are supposed to know. If you are first timer, if you are first time you are watching any video or you are watching any particular video on CAT exam, so you are supposed to know CAT exam correct answer you will get 3 marks and wrong answer -1. Exam date in 3 shifts, that is November 28, 2021. Today is 24th November, so after 4 days, so last time revision, last minute revision, tips, trick, techniques by me through 4 videos, and you will be able to crack those exams because you are already preparing for CAT exam for last 3 months, 6 months or 1 year it might possible. Duration is of 2 hours as we know very well, okay. Mode of computer based test is there, okay, it's online test almost, and total question will be 76 questions will be there. Total marks 3 marks for all correct answers, so 76 into 3, 220 marks. Total sections in CAT exam, there will be 3 sections. 40 minutes of VARC. VARC means verbal ability, reading comprehension, that is VARC. 26 questions. Then 40 minutes DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, 24 questions. Okay, 40 minutes again quantitative aptitude, that is math basically, arithmetic plus other things, that is 26 questions. So total together there are 76 questions. Okay, result declaration will be on second week of January 2022, as you know already through the CAT notification, and score valid up to December 31st 2022. Once you will clear the CAT exam, your score will be valid up to December 31st 2022. Okay, so this is very simple information, introductory information about the CAT exam. You will get everywhere this information through CAT notification, on the newspaper also. They have already advertised in the newspaper also, on television. You will get all the information, and or if you will go to CAT IIM site, you will get all the information, no problem at all. But this part, very few people will tell you. There are several videos available on YouTube, on Google search, on Wikipedia. Everybody has their own style of working, but I have totally different style of working. That's why I'm explaining on the basis of my 25 years experience. I am giving my classes, workshop, programs in this country. I have already given my classes, program, workshop in 300 cities, 20 states in India, for 20 countries people, more than 1,000 institutional students. I have already trained 250 plus organization students, and I have already placed in all big companies, whether it's a private and government organization, starting with the Microsoft, Google, TCS, Infosys, Patni, Satyam, Oracle, more than 50,000 students all over India in my 25 years of career. Okay, now it's your turn. Once if you will follow my advice, very simple, as I'm a career advisor also, once you will go through all the 4 videos, just seriously and sincerely focus on all these very simple tips, and you will crack these exams. And don't discourage yourself. If I told earlier, I told in the very first video, if your intention is correct, you will be able to crack any exam of the world. And CAT exam is tough exam, difficult exam, because of timing, not because of syllabus. Like UPSC as, which is vast exam due to syllabus, which requires intensive and extensive studies for 2 years. CAT exam requires, as per your expertise, if you are good at maths and English, hardly 3 months to 6 months, not more than that, and you will be able to clear any exam. So now VVIP tips. VVIP tips means very, very important tips. Okay, as you know very well, under VARC, verbal ability, reading comprehension, 26 questions are there. MCQs with negative marking. Okay, 18 questions will be there. And non-MCQs with negative marking, without negative marking, 8 questions will be there. So sure shot, if you will make 8 questions, you will get 8 into 3, 24 marks. That is very important. Under data interpretation and logical reasoning, there are 24 questions, 18 plus 6. Non-MCQs without negative marking, that is 6 questions. This here the trick part is there. You are supposed to be very sure when you are going to make these questions, it's 100% correct. Then quantitative aptitude, 26 question, 18 plus 8, and this is 8. Non-MCQs, that is without negative marking. So 22 question without negative marking. Multiplied by 3, 66 marks confirm you will get if you will attempt these 22 question. Out of 76 question, 22 question without negative marking. Yeah. So naturally 3 marks, 66 marks you will immediately get. Okay. Then out of 54 question, I have written here, out of 54 question, you have to attempt at least 13 question, correct question. So 13 into 3, 39 marks almost. So 39 plus 66. Simple. If you will add, it will be 105. That is the 99 percentile, equivalent to 105 marks out of 228 marks is 99 percentile. You will get call from all IIMs. It might possible. If you will score more than super, awesome, very simple. So how you will get 13 questions means how you will be very sure you are going to make 13 questions very correctly, because this is under negative marking part. So what you are supposed to do, VARC under attempt only 3 questions, which we are very sure you will be able to make very correctly. Under VARC part, this is out of this 18 question, 3 question. If you are very sure, CAT exam is tough, difficult only because of timing, because all questions are very lengthy questions, 6 to 8 lines questions are there, which you are supposed to, per question wise 32 seconds only you are getting. You are supposed to read, you are supposed to understand the question, you are supposed to immediately solve those questions and then tick that question within 32 seconds. Now you can feel the toughness of this CAT exam, okay. Under DILR you are supposed to make 4 questions only, and under quantitative aptitude, as this is very important paper, and you will get maximum for that only the 6 questions. So 13 question into 3 for 39 marks. I have taken approximately 40 marks. So 40 as 66, that is 39 itself, 105 marks or 106 marks. Individual cutoff, this is VVIP tips, as you got it very simple. For 99 percentile, A plus B, 99 percentile is equivalent to 106 marks. Very simple. We are supposed to score 105 marks, that is 99 percentile. If it is 106 or 120 or 110 marks, it's a super awesome. And individual cutoff, this is VVIP focus, which is very important to know. Individual cutoff, 30% marks you are supposed to bring under VARC. Verbal ability, reading comprehension, if you are able, out of 26 question, 3 marks is 78 marks, 23 marks overall, 23.4 marks, 30%. Combined together, these two. Okay. Then DILR, 24 marks question is there, 30% again, 21.6 marks. And quantitative aptitude, cutoff is 80%, not 30%. because this is the very important part in any exam of the world, you can say. And quantitative aptitude, that is including maths plus reasoning, always need minimum 80% cutoff in all exam. This is very important paper. So here 64.4% marks we will have to bring. So total together it's a 105.4 marks, which is equivalent to 99 percentile. Got it? Or 99.99 percentile if you want to score. Only you are at, say for example, attempting you have focus to take entry into only IIM Ahmedabad, that is first generation of Kolkata and Bangalore, then you will have to score minimum 99.99 marks percentile, that is equivalent to 125 marks. And I will tell you very frankly, even the engineers from IIT, BITS, Triple IT, NIT are not able to score this much marks, my dear. I will tell you very frankly, not because they are not intelligent, they are very intelligent, very brilliant. But time limit is there. If they will get 3 hours, they will get 100 out of 100, very simple. 228 out of 228 marks. But they are getting only 2 hours, 120 minutes, 228 question, 32 seconds for each question. And within 32 seconds each question, every question you are supposed to read, understand, solve, and then tick. That is the beauty part of this CAT exam also, and toughness part of this CAT exam also. So you are supposed to take into consideration, you are supposed to be very sure you are going to score out of 22, means 22 question into 366 marks at any cost. And if you're good at this with negative marking, then enjoy this part. This may increase also, this may go down, but cannot be less than 13 marks. This 13 question, that is 39 marks. Otherwise 105, 99 percentile you are supposed to score, without which not a single CAT IIM will call you, my dear. And there are several other factors which they consider. If you are from, say for example, you have done your engineering or BA, BSc, BCom, MM, MSc, MCom from national importance institute, you are a national level player, national level actor. These are the factors also they take into consideration, but minimum marks is required. Even in CAT exam, those who are getting 60 percentile also, 70 percentile also, they are getting from non-IIMs. As I told, under these 20 IIMs are there, 1200 non-IIMs are there, 1200 participating institute. So even if you are getting 80 percentile, you will get definitely call from out of 1200. But for only top 50 institute, other than IIMs, starting with XLRI, FMS, JBIMS, SPGen, Narsi Monji, MDI, your IMT, like this, several institutes are there. And altogether in India, there are 5,000 management institute for PGDM and MBA courses. But in IIMs, you watch the first video, I have told already very clearly, there are only 6,000 seats taken together, 20 IIMs. In 20 IIMs, there are only 6,000 seats. That's it. It means every year only 20 IIMs intake is only 6,000 candidates. That's it, not more than that. Non-IIMs 1200 is there. Again, assume the same figure. If it is like that, then calculate, and you calculate your toughness part of this and beauty part of this. So this is all what the trick which you are supposed to take into consideration. And don't forget, in quantitative aptitude you have to minimum 80% cutoff is there. So it means you have to score out of this 26 questions 60.4 correctly. 80% cutoff is there, my dear. If you can do that, or otherwise increase the level of VA under VARC or DILR, but don't forget this part. This is very important part. These 22 questions, you're supposed to be very sure it is correct. Then there will be no difficulty in cracking any IIMs, getting interview call from IIMs. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like, definitely share it with everyone and enjoy. May God bless you all in advance. Thank you so much. The happy beginning.